Today we are discussing about electrolytes. What are the electrolytes? Sodium, potassium. There are three major electrolytes. So first of all, we'll come to the sodium. Sodium is a principal cations and extracellular fluids. So sodium functions like including the osmotic. It maintains the osmotic equilibrium, acid-base balance, carbon dioxide transport, and cell membrane permeability, muscle irritability. Sodium. This is what are the sources of sodium? This is the table salt, salt foods, and potato chips, and petroleum and bulking like a baking soda and milk. What are the absorption and metabolism? Readily absorbed, excreted in urine and sweat. So aldosterone increased reabsorption in renal tubules. So RDA recommended dietary allowance for these things about 1.1 to 3.3 milligrams per day. Sodium deficiency, dehydration, acidosis, and tissues and atrophy. Sodium excess edema and hypertonic and expansion and hypertension. Sodium supplement like sodium supplement. It is usually supplemented like to replace the sodium and chloride lost of the through the pre-respiration during the high heat. Thrombotes like slow salt and heterol and latrine solution and PDL solutions they like Gatorade and other sports drinks. So potassium is the principal cation intracellular fluid. So sodium is extracellular fluid, potassium is intracellular fluid. Coming to the functions, buffers constituents, acid-base balance. These are the maintaining also acid-base balance. Some of the electrolytes like water balance and membrane tight is involving into the membrane transport function. Also neuromuscular irritability. So potassium, like, what are the sources of potassium? So potassium source vegetables, fruits, bananas, whole the grains, meat and milk. And absorption, what are the absorption like it readily absorbed more than the sodium. Intracellular is secreted by the kidney, also in sweat. So recommended dietary allowance in adults like 1.5 to 4.5 grams per day. So what are the deficiencies? So increases like hyperkalemia, causes increased renal excretions and also primary aldosteronism, severe vomiting and diarrhea, and cutaneous loss of the pre-respirations. What are the symptoms of profound weakness, skeletal muscle and paralysis and impaired respiration, weakness of smooth muscle and cardiac anomalies and AV blocks and cardiac arrest. So excess means causes like sudden increased intake and severe tissue trauma, burns like acute chronic acidosis and also weakness like symptom weakness, paralysis, cardiac anomalies and impaired conditions like fibrillations, cardiac arrest. So what are the potassium supplements? Oral products like tablets, potassium chloride and potassium gluconate and slow K potassium and like effervescent like tablets like Kilite, Kilo, Claire and like parenteral productions like usually administration by the slow vitamin 4 infusion like potassium chloride to potassium acetate. So what are the treatment? Hyperkalemia, reserve cardiotoxic effect, calcium gluconate and increase the potassium uptake by cells. So dextrose, insulin, sodium bicarbonate and remove the excess of potassium from the body. Sodium and polyester sulfonate. So chloride and essential ions closely connected with the sodium food and body tissues and fluid and the excretions like readily absorbed along with the sodium. So excrete mainly in the kidneys and 2% of feces and 4 to 5% of respiration. Important for osmotic balance and acid-base balance and in the formations of gastric HCl. So what are the deficiency? Chloride, hypochloremic alkalosis and hypovolemia and pernicious vomiting and psychomotor disturbance. So today we are discussing about the electrolytes and sodium, potassium and chloride functions and metabolism. So what are the deficiencies and clinical significance? Thank you very much.